You know I can't be fine sitting home all alone. If you can't come around, at least please telephone. Don't be cruel to your heartstrings. Baby, if I made you mad for something that I might have said, oh, please let's forget the past. Oh, but you just look so bright ahead. Don't be cruel to your heartstrings. I know that love, baby, it's just you and me, you know. Don't stop thinking of me. You don't make me feel this way. Yeah, come on over here and love me. You don't know what I want you to say. Don't be cruel to your heartstrings. Why should we be apart? I really love you, baby, close my heart. Let's walk up to the bridge and let us say I do. Oh, then you know you'll have me, and I know that I'll have you. Don't be cruel to your heartstrings. Why should we be apart? I really love you, baby, close my heart. Don't be cruel to your heartstrings. Don't be cruel to your heartstrings. Well, I don't know other love, baby, it's just you and you know. Are you lonesome tonight? Do you miss me tonight? Are you sorry we drifted apart? Does your memory stray to that bright summer day when I kissed you and called you sweetheart? Do the chairs in your parlor seem empty and bare? Do you gaze at your doorstep and picture me there? Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome tonight? I wonder if you're lonesome tonight. You know, a wise man said that the world's a stage and each must play a part. Fate had me playing in love with you as my sweetheart. Act 1 was when we met. You read your lines so cleverly, never missed a cue. Then came Act 2. You seemed to change, you acted strange. Why? I'll never know. Honey, you lied when you said you loved me, but I had no cause to doubt you. But I'd rather go on hearing your lies than go on living without you. So as I'm standing there with the stage to spare, with emptiness all around, and if you won't come back to me, I guess you'll have to bring the curtain down. Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome tonight? Thank you. Thank you very much. Well, get out of bed, wash your face and hands. Well, get out of bed, wash your face and hands. Well, get in the kitchen, make some lunch with the boys and bands. Well, you're wearing those dresses, the sun comes shining through. Well, you're wearing those dresses, the sun comes shining through. I can't believe in my eyes, you like to mix a beat loves to me. Well, I did shake, rattle and roll. 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 Well, come on, pretty baby, you can see me in the dance. Lay it on. Peeping in a seafood store. I like a one-eyed cat peeping in a seafood store. I had to look at you and you ain't no child no more. Well, I believe you're doing me wrong and now I know. I believe you're doing me wrong and now I know. 'Cause the harder I work, the faster my money goes.